Okay, kids, we're gonna move on to Greatest in Neighborhood like Fathers and Sons 1993 VHS review. This time, it's favorite greatest in 1993. Now let's get the show on the road, shall we? Okay? Okay? Okay. Okay then. First we got Father and Sons with Jeff Goldblum. Rocky Carroll, Alan Green, Nesbitt, as the first one, following the greatest fellow. It's just a silent kill, a prophet to a death, and one family caught between them. Here was the front, the spine, top, and the back. Rated R, and it's 100 minutes. And here is what the tape looks like a sticker label, and no printing on it. Gonna dedicate for greatest and upper current. Here, in the ends of a lucky for a life, right here. Gonna dedicate for David. And I'll come back see you later. That's all for my Father and Sons 1993 VHS review.